Okay, on to step 1.1a 1.7, and we're going to put geometric mean into I6, and this is the last one in this table. So we're finally going to make the table with all the text in the column wide enough to show the text. And what we're going to do that, it is it's down here in Sheets in the row column section, and we're going to do auto width. Uh, Alt HOI. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So Control Tab to get back, Control C to copy the geometric mean, and then Alt Tab to Excel, and I'm going to go into the cell I6, F2 to edit it, Control V to paste it, Enter. And then now I'm going to start with this text down here. I'm going to hold down Shift and select all the way up so that all the text in the column is selected, and it will look to see what is the widest one, which, spoiler alert, it's I4, and it's going to make the column wide enough for that whole thing. So remember, it's Alt HOY, and I'll show you why. When you hit Alt, you see the ribbons up here, and each ribbon has a letter beside it. And the H1, Home, is the one we want in the Home ribbon. And you'll see O is right over here, is the formatting one, O. And then I, you'll see, is the autofill column width, I. And now it's as wide as it needs to be. Good. So now I'm going to make this formula, and the formula again is geomean of all the numbers up here in the change of revenue, and then the -1 at the end. So equal geo, and it's already guessed what I want to use as the function. It's geomean is the first one. It's blued out, so I know that that's the one, and that's the one it's on right now, and that happens to be the one I wish to use. So the way to accept that one is Tab. And now it wants all the numbers, so I'm going to go up to the first number, and I'm going to hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and keep it down. And now I'm going to use arrow keys to choose all the numbers that should be included. Now I'm going to let go of Shift, and I'm going to Shift again to close the brackets. Shift and close brackets. And then -1, Enter. And sure enough, look at that, 15.02, and the revenue growth, 15.02. It comes to the same thing.